JP is playing pool here, and supposedly. And Ray, come on, play with your stick, man. Then play with your stick.
Play with my stick?
Yes.
No, you don't want my stick. Actually, you've had my stick. No, if you had my stick, you would remember my stick. Wait, what am I saying? A stick?
I don't know.
Oh, this stick. Oh,
yes, yeah. Bitch, that stick. Aguanta. Ella, según se creía muy hombre.
We are here at last night, Sunday. Oh no, today's Saturday. I'm sorry.
Bitch, you don't even know what. Hey, wait. This is a sole Facebook video.
Well, put it on Facebook. I don't give a shit. I'm having a good time. We are here at About Time 2. We represented for all the Latinos out there. Let me hear you make some noise! Yeah! And it's only 2 of us. All right. Okay, I gotta play.
La otra se metió.
Oh. I'm on, buddy. I know. You gotta talk to everybody now.
Yeah, look at you. Ella anda jugando con los pelotas.
There you go.
Hey, I got a ticket my friend.
I know, there you go. There you go.
I got a ticket. What the fuck? Hey, not everybody's allowed to watch See My Fur. ¿Tú qué dices? ¿Qué opinas?
It's okay. I know.
It's okay.
It's okay. Crazy.
Alright, I guess that's it. It's gonna be fun. So, what's up? Partying out here at About Time 2 off of 35. And
She swears.
Yeah, you swear.
She swears.
Yeah, I swear. Tenemos que ver aquí, no. Pura party aquí, mira ella. Okay. Anyway.